Zoom, WhatsApp, Microsoft Teams, Skype, there are so many different ways that we are now engaging and communicating with family, friends, and with our businesses and our colleagues. One of the big things is virtual meetings. Running successful and engaging meeting virtually, whether it's using Zoom or whether it is using Microsoft Teams or Skype, is an important skill and can be challenging and potentially exhausting. So to help you get ahead and make an impact online, this workshop is there to give you the basics, the best practices for running a good online meeting. We're going to talk about what makes a good meeting, keeping eye contact and how to engage with people and attendees whilst you're working with them, how to share your screens effectively so you can show people web pages, documents, so you can really get some communication across. Also using some of the interactive elements like chat to be able to improve communication and involve people, get that interaction, and how to set yourself up a virtual background. You'll get an opportunity to practice, and this particular seminar has a maximum of 4 attendees, simply because it means that everyone can have a practice and the people on the course can get immediate feedback and support to help them improve the way they interact virtually. So whether you're planning a massive webinar, whether you are just delivering a piece of training, want to put on a pub quiz, which have been some fantastic things of those going on at the moment via Zoom, or whether it is just a team meeting with your colleagues, with your peers, whoever it might be, this is designed to help you get up and running. So whether you've never done this before or whether it is new to you, we can help you improve those skills to make those meetings compelling. And I've been delivering webinars for Lloyds Bank Academy, Upskill Digital, and Media Training Limited, as well as my own. So it is something that I'm very familiar with and very happy with, and I'd love to share my experiences with all of you so your virtual meeting goes without a hitch. So thank you very much for listening. If you're interested, there will be a link either in the comments or below the video that you can click on to find out more. And stay safe, keep well, and hopefully I'll see you on a course soon. Bye-bye for now.